What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Got the Eclipse over here at the Hyundai dealer because just bought myself a Hyundai. Got myself a Hyundai Sonata over here, brown top. Shout out to Ian for hooking me up with that. Follows the channel and he's on Mexico Rolls page, so thank you, Ian, for the new daily. I'll show you guys the new daily a little later. It's just a Sonata, but it's a good commuter. It's a good commuter. Now we're heading with Jimmy over to get the engine hoist and get the engine for the Mustang. We're finally doing it. Let's do it. Here she is. Don't mind the mess. It's going in there. Then we're bringing it over. Oh yeah, she ain't going nowhere. We got it over here. We got it at EF Speedworks. Barely, but we got it here. We're gonna stick her off. It's me, your boy! I had to say that. We're over here. It's me, your boy. It's me, your boy, coming at you with Commuter Chronicles.
Yeah, that's not a real thing anymore.
Yeah, I got a Hyundai Elantra. It's outside. But yeah, you know where we're at. You know where we're at. This is going in here. This is coming out, and this is going in. Well, you know, easier said than done. It's gonna happen.
Well, that's coming out today.
Oh hell yeah!
I don't care how long it takes.
We're about to pull this thing. I gotta be home for dinner though. All right, for those wondering what it's done to this block, it's built long block, Gen 2, non-sleeved, has Manley billet I-beams, Manley pistons, ARP everything, bearings, valve springs, and all the other small stuff. Timing components are done as well. So it's an upgrade from the Gen 1, the stock Gen 1, which is oil pump gears, which we ran for 3 years and I never had a problem. I had 650 wheel for a long time, but upgrade.
For your manifolds, you don't want to reuse those. Plus, your shit was leaking already. Oh, let me spray these with fucking beauty blaster.
Making a parts list for everything we're gonna need, which is obviously a lot of little random stuff, gaskets and whatnot, and some new bolts for the flywheel. The clutch is looking iffy. It'll be all right. It'll
Clutch is
handle
looking
it.
like you don't have a choice.
Yeah, clutch is expensive, you know. We're just gonna send it, and we're gonna get a lot of this cleaned up, take the AC compressor out and all that kind of extra junk.
Yeah.
A lot of random stuff in here. We've been looking over the fuel system that I bought too. It's the 4 triple. It's like good for like 1,700 wheel horsepower, which will never happen. But that's a whole nother to do. It's pretty cool how they like just put this here.
It's very restrictive.
Yeah, I know, right? And like it's just for the steering column.
Very
like,
restrictive.
Why would they put it on the top? That's the part I don't get. Like the bottom, it makes sense because this goes underneath.
Right.
I don't know. Whatever.
Gonna
And
clean
then
this up,
yeah,
make it look pretty.
and we'll get her going and transfer all this.
Make it look pretty, because if it don't run,
at least it'll look good. Transfer all this over to this.
yeah.
Boom, and then throw it back in. Fire it up, and
The AC is gonna make some room.
pray to God it works.
Be nice to move this a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, we don't need that. Take it out. Just take it all out.
Are you serious? Because I'll.
Yeah, we don't need that. It's brakes. We don't need brakes.
To make
It's
it,
just APS.
we'll get the delete kit for it.
That's more money.
It can't be that much. It's just we'll figure that out.
Anyway, we'll discuss it. That's all I want to cover in this video. I just wanted to show you guys that we are actually starting it. The 1,000 wheel horsepower is underway. So tune in next time. We might have this motor together. See you.